My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the fake and scary pop-ups that come from the site Kingus.click. Kingus.click is a website that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It actually tries to trick people into wasting their money. For instance, these pop-ups by Kingus.click may try to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. In some other cases, people may try to simply redirect the deceived visitors to some other shady and other malicious website that may actually force them into paying money for some fake security software. Kingus.click is therefore a deceptive site you should not trust and should not interact with. Such pop-ups in your browser could be the trace of some adware enabled in the system, so we recommend you to be very careful. If you see these pop-ups, don't install anything that they suggest. They claim to be related to some well-known security program, but they are not related to that program. I recommend you to immediately research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get its latest version is on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.